Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a gift guide for Christmas. So a lot of these are affordable things that are maybe just either a good present or maybe a good like little stocking filler. As like I said, they are quite affordable. But I hope this may give you a few ideas of what you could buy for someone. I know Christmas is not that far away now, but I know there are always last minute shoppers. It doesn't matter who you are, there is always one person who you haven't bought for, who you didn't have to go out and buy something for. So I hope this will give you a few ideas. So first up is the Look Good Feel Better brushes. So this is a brush set, you get 4 brushes and these are cruelty free and vegan, which is very good, as a lot of people are more aware of what they are using, especially with beauty. And when you buy these, a donation is also made to the Look Good Feel Better charity, which helps people who are having treatment for cancer to feel better about themselves. It shows them how to apply makeup with the best for their face, maybe how to draw eyebrows if they have unfortunately lost them, and things like that. So buying this, and also do you get a really good present, you also support an amazing charity at the same time. And these brushes are also very soft, and as you get 2 face brushes, that's good for your base, and then 2 eyeshadow brushes. So it's really a full set, you don't really need all the other ones that you normally get. Of course, I can't do a gift guide without featuring one of my favourite brands, and that is Pixi. And this is the Pixi and Heart Defensor eyeshadow palette. So this is a really good eyeshadow palette just for everyday. It sort of has everyday colours in, while it still has some shimmers as well. And the packaging is glittery along here as well, so that makes it really festive looking as well. But obviously people are using a lot more eyeshadow now, and I think this is a really good one because, like I said, it is everyday, and there are 8 shades in it as well, and they're all very usable, doesn't matter on the skin tone, so that makes it a perfect present. Also, they are extremely pigmented, so you don't have to worry about that. There's no like wishy-washy colours with these. What you see is what you get. Now this from Drunk Elephant is the little set, and this has 8 sample size beauty products in it, and also it comes with the bag as well. And I've actually just done a full video on this, so I will link it in the description bar or in the I button up here somewhere if you want to see that. But this makes a really good present for someone who loves their skincare, as it gives them a chance to try a new brand, or maybe a brand that they already know but some different products from it, without them having to buy like the full size and then not liking it, which is very annoying, I will admit. But also I think it just looks like a really cute present. Like, you don't really need to buy anything else if you buy this because it does have so much in it. And Drunk Elephant is obviously known for their packaging anyway, and it fits just so well into that. Next we have the Nourish London Nourish Hands Trio. So in this you get 3 hand creams. So you get a kale anti-aging hand cream, a lavender hand lotion, and a damask rose hand lotion. So with it being winter as well, hand creams are always popular, and these actually smell incredible as well. They are also vegan and cruelty free again. So this is what you get inside. They are all full size, so they are 50 millilitres each. And like I said, they just use very natural products. That's what they are known for. I've used this brand so many times for skincare, so I can definitely recommend these, whether it's just a present for yourself or for someone else. And also on the back it says exactly what each one is for. So some are just for soothing hands, some are to help against anti-aging, which is really good. So you get all 3 of those in this little set. If you are looking for something maybe a little bit more pricey, but you know it looks amazing, that is to go for a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and lip liner. So this is the famous Pillow Talk lipstick, see here, and also the lip liner that matches. Now this makes such a gorgeous present because just look at the packaging, it is on its own. And obviously the product inside is incredible. I've also done a full video on this, so if you'd like to see that, it'll also be in the I button up here. But yeah, like I said, I know this is definitely the most expensive thing out of this entire gift guide, so I know it's not for everyone, but if there is someone who you think maybe deserves something just a little bit more, I would definitely recommend a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, as Pillow Talk just suits everyone, but there are of course so many colours to choose from, and with the lip liner as well, it's like the full set. And now for another eyeshadow, and this is the Eye Candy Hot Collection eyeshadow palette. And like I said, you can't really go wrong with an eyeshadow palette for someone if you know they like makeup. So this is what it's like inside. It's very much a dupe for the Urban Decay Heat palette. The colours are extremely similar, and also they are extremely pigmented as well, and it also does have a mirror there, and it comes with one of these little brushes too. So it really does have everything in it that you might need, and it also looks a very cute present, as there are mattes and shimmers in between all of these, so you can get a full look out of it. And especially with it coming up to Christmas, if you're giving this on like Christmas Day, it would be really good for maybe Boxing Day, as it's still quite festive with the heat colours. Something that actually I think makes it quite a good like little stocking filler or just a little extra on the side is a MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid. So these are liquid eyeshadows and they are so shimmery, they are absolutely gorgeous. And this is in Love Yourself, which I think is quite a cute name as well, especially if you are giving it for a present. So yeah, this is definitely a really good find for someone who does like eyeshadow, as it is quite unusual, and also does have a glittery lid as well, which is cute. And also most people know MAC as well, so it's a well-known brand and you can't really go that wrong with it. But it's a little different as it is a liquid eyeshadow, which you can't get everywhere. The brush set, there is the So Eco Face Brush Kit. So this has 3 biggish brushes and then a smaller one as well, and it also comes with a case. So these are really good brushes if you know someone who is quite conscious of what they use, as they are made from materials that are ethically sourced, compostable, recyclable and biodegradable, and obviously that means they are cruelty free. The brushes themselves are extremely soft. I've had one from So Eco for years and it's still going strong. It still feels just as good as it did when I first got it. But the one brush in here is this one. That is so good for highlighter, I will say. So if you know someone who especially likes highlighter, that is the brush you need to get for them. But I love that you get like a full set and a case to keep them in as well. So that is really good and it makes a really good present. And lastly is another of my favourites from Pixi. So this is a Pixi eye and lip kit. So as you can see, you get a liquid lipstick and you also get one of their fairy lights, which is a liquid eyeshadow. It does also have glitter in it, so it is gorgeous. And this one is Lit Kit Day. So if this is the day one, there also is a night one that has different colours in. But I think this is a lot more wearable for a present, especially if you don't know exactly what colours someone may like. And the Matte Last lipsticks are without a doubt my favourite liquid lipsticks. They are not drying at all, so I think they make a really good present. I've actually given them as presents to people and they've always really liked them. This is the first time Pixi Beauty have done a set with them. And obviously with it being red as well, it's quite festive, and the glitter fairy lights, that looks amazing on everyone's eyes. So that is my little gift guide for this year. I will leave a link to everything I've shown you plus the prices in the description bar below, and also any of the videos I've mentioned I will also leave down below as well, and in the I button above when I've mentioned it, if that makes sense. But any of these I would be so happy to receive as a gift, so I hope it's given you a few ideas of what you could get, especially if there is someone who is very conscious of what they use and they only like to use cruelty free. A lot of this is, there is obviously a couple that aren't, but not everything can be right now. But a lot of brands have made that move into cruelty free and vegan, which is incredible. So I hope it's given you a few ideas of what to buy those people, or just people in general, because like a brush set you can't really go wrong with. Well, I don't think you can anyway. But yeah, these are all things I genuinely use as well, or I have used in the past. But make sure you leave a comment below, tell me which of these was your favourite, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!